Hi everyone. ඉතින් මේ අද දවසේ ඔයගොල්ලෝ මම එකගෙන යන්නේ අලුත්ම දෙයක් පෙන්නන්න. ඉතින් ඔයගොල්ලෝ දන්නවද දන්නේ නැහැ මෙහි තියෙනවා RV කියලා එකක්. ඒ කියන්නේ මෝටර් රථ ගෙයක්. ඉතින් ගොඩක් මිනිස්සු එහෙම ගෙවල් වල තමයි ජීවත් වෙන්නේ. ඒ වගේම සමහරක් අය මේක තියාගෙන ඉන්නවා වැකේෂන් යන්න, ඒ කියන්නේ ට්‍රැවල් කරනකොට අරගෙන යන්න. ඒ කියන්නේ එතකොට ඕන ඒකේ ඕන දෙයක් කරන්න පුළුවන්. ඒකේ টয়ලට් තියෙනවා, කෑම බීම, ඒ හැම දෙයක්ම උයාගෙන ඒවා කරගන්න පුළුවන්. ඉතින් අපි අවුරුද්දකට ඉස්සෙල්ලා අපිට ගන්න ඕනි කියලා එකක් බලන්න ගියා. අපි ඉතින් ඒ වෙලාවේ ගත්තේ නෑ. අපි හිතුවා ඒ වෙලාව නෙමේ ඒකට ටයිම් එක කියලා. ඉතින් දැන් අපි මේක බලන්න යන්නේ තව මාසකින් වගේ විතර ගන්න කියලා. ඉතින් එතකොට හිතුවා මම ඔයගොල්ලොත් එක්ක ෂෙයා කරන්න කියලා. ඉතින් මගේ හස්බන්ඩ්ගේ පුංචි කාලේ ඉඳන් ඒගොල්ලන්ට RV තිබිලා තියෙනවා. ඉතින් අම්මලාට ඇත්තටම කියන්නේ හොඳ ලොකු එකක් තිබිලා තියෙනවා. මේකේ එක එක සයිස් තියෙනවා. අපි ගන්න කැමති පොඩි එකක් 3 දෙනෙකුට ඉන්න පුළුවන් එකක්. ඉතින් බලන්න යන තැන එක එක සයිස් වල ඒවා තියෙන්න පුළුවන්. ඉතින් මාත් එක්ක රැඳී ඉන්න මොනවාද මේ මෝටර් රථ ගෙවල් මොන වගේ දෙකේ ඇතුලේ කොහොමද මිනිස්සු ඒවා ඇතුලේ ජීවත් වෙන්නේ කියලා බලන්න. දැන් ඕගොල්ලන්ට මේ පේන්නේ මේ තමයි RV home, එහෙම නැත්නම් motor රථ home. ඉතින් මේවා මිනිස්සු ජීවත් වෙනවා. මේවා සල්ලි දීලා අරන් ගිහිල්ලා වෙනම RV park කියලා තියෙනවා. ඒවා park කරගෙන මිනිස්සු ඒවා තුළ ජීවත් වෙනවා. ඉතින් parking වලටත් ඩොලර් 300ක් වගේ මුදලක් ගෙවනවා ඒගොල්ලෝ. ඉතින් අද මෙතන තියෙන්නේ ඔක්කොම ට්‍රක් එකකින් ඇදගෙන යන්න පුළුවන් RV. ඒ කියන්නේ ඔයාට මේ RV එකේ වැකේෂන් යන්න පුළුවන්, ඇදගෙන අරගෙන යන්න පුළුවන්. ඉතින් අපි මෙතනදී 7ක් RV පෙන්නනවා. පුංචි එකේ ඉඳන් පිළිවෙලට තමයි යන්නේ. අන්තිමටම තියෙන සුපෝගබර්ගී ලොකු RV එකක්. ඉතින් ඔහොම මාත් එක්ක ඉන්න මම ඔයගලන්ට ඉදිරියේදී අපි මේ කරන සාකච්ඡාවල් මැදදී ඔයගලන්ට මමත් විටින් විට මේක පැහැදිලි කරලා දෙන්නම්. මේ මහත්මයා තමයි අපිට මේ අද මෝටර් රථ හෝම් පෙන්වන්න යන්නේ. ඉතින් ඔයගලන්ට පේනවා ඇති මේ තමයි තියෙන මෝටර් රථ හෝම්. මේවා ලස්සන ගෙවල් වලටත් වඩා ලස්සනයි මේවා ඇතුලේ. ඉතින් මේ වගේ අපි බලාගෙන යමු පළවෙනි මෝටර් රථ හෝම් එක මොන වගේද කියලා. ඉතින් ඔන්න මගේ හස්බන්ඩ් ඉස්සරහින් යනවා. එයා තමයි ඉස්සෙල්ලාම ඇතුලට යන්නේ පළවෙනිම මෝටර් රථ හෝම් එක බලන්න. ගිහිල්ලා බලමු.
I can show you more options that don't have the bunk bed kind of in a box.
I see. Does this convert
Careful,
as well?
careful where you're.
Oh, sorry. Oh, this is not completed, right?
Well, right now, yeah, it came in with the awning had an issue, so that's what.
Okay. Nice little.
Yeah, little storage bins. Sometimes you
Okay.
just brand
Two
new
children
units.
can sleep here, right?
Yeah. Gotcha.
Okay, this is the tiny. So two people can, two
Two can
children.
sleep there, and then two on the bed. This can also go down to another bed
Oh, okay.
for the dinette.
This is a good size.
Yeah, definitely. How many can see?
Small
Does it have
cooker.
a bathroom?
Right back here.
Okay, shower and everything. Yeah. But here is a fridge.
Yeah, refrigerator and a freezer.
Oh, okay, that's good size.
You know anyone that's doing business like renting these? Or I saw some people doing that.
Sometimes you'll see them on like RV Share.
Yeah.
You go online. Those are just individuals that rent out their own unit.
Yeah.
Not a lot of dealerships have like a leasing program.
Yeah.
Other than like the big class C's and B's.
Those are the ones that are
very expensive, but
leased more
yes.
often. For those
The motorhome.
That's pretty good size.
Yeah, even we have more children, that's enough.
Yeah.
I like that. That's nice. Wow.
That is nice.
This is nice. Hmm.
But yeah, so if this was not boxed in as far as the
Yeah,
it's
so-
tall.
Right.
But yeah, again, most
That
of your
makes
box
sense.
beds are right at 6
What is
foot.
that, Greg?
Yeah.
What do you say?
Bunk beds.
This one is not
It's
boxed
boxed
in, so his feet can
Okay.
go off a little bit if necessary, rather than having being, you know, imprisoned there in the box for a big person.
It's a big size fridge. Hmm. Interesting.
I like all the looks and
Yeah,
stuff.
this is a really, really good size for us.
Yeah, and this one's not very heavy either. So
Yeah,
Nice.
3,600 pounds.
3,600
That's
pounds.
A little bit less than the other one.
Quite a bit, yeah. This one's got the fiberglass exterior also.
No, it doesn't pop out, though, does it?
And this one, no. So you're saving about typically around 800 pounds
800 pounds?
with the pop outs.
Yeah. Okay.
So it gives you options.
Oh, excellent.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
If you don't have a need for a couch, just keep it down as a bed.
Right. That's kind of cool. I mean, very cool. Be nice that they storage here.
So that's going to be your under storage from the outside.
Oh, from the outside. Gotcha. Yeah.
Yeah.
Cool. What's the
If you are
total length?
cooking outside.
This one's a 179, so you're probably right at 23.
It does make a difference.
Wow,
Yeah.
it's really big. I like the other size too, though.
Yeah.
That
Yeah,
only
the other one
little
was
bit.
plenty, but just kind of just gives you that next level.
Same
Yeah.
thing, but a little bit.
A
Yeah.
little more comfort, a little more space.
Yeah.
And Murphy bed,
Same
same thing.
Same
Yeah.
setup here.
Yeah.
Only thing that changes that same size bunks. Just
Oh my God.
Wanna come in bed?
Yeah, no toilets?
Right here, I think. Check it out. Does it have a? Yeah, it has a little shower.
Okay. Hmm.
You have to wash your hands in the sink and after you do your business.
I don't like that.
I know you don't.
Yeah, this is
I like it.
big feet though.
Yeah, this is cool. This is something more reasonable and something.
We had a bigger than that something.
You have a TV spot here. You can mount your TV. A little 26 inch or something.
It is too small. Only two people can say.
And also, these were all built with aluminum, so it's pretty lightweight. 35
This is the one I was talking about.
The other are.
I like the
does
way
have
it
the bunks,
beds like
if
this.
that's an option, but this is the smaller Arcon.
Okay.
This
This
is
is
the
actually a little bit bigger bed. This is probably an 80-inch bed versus
Yeah.
the 74s.
Yeah.
oh, okay.
Now, how would you? That's nice. Definitely. Very cool.
I think I like if you want a smaller one, maybe I like this one.
Look at that. That's nice.
This is
So
a
a microwave?
oven, but you got a convection oven and a microwave. 2-burner stove and pretty big sink here.
So it's a combination oven.
Yeah, a combo there.
Cool.
Yep.
What's this? Yeah.
That's going to be your breaker box if you need extra fuse. But down below there is like a built-in shut vac system. And down below that is kind of where you can, if you sweep something up, it'll suck it in.
Cool.
Down below there.
Nice.
Storage.
Yeah.
Pretty good storage in this one.
Yeah.
Plenty of room in that rear bathroom.
Yeah, this is like
It's
a
not too small.
real bathroom.
Yeah. This
Everything.
is cool.
How can it be? I don't understand.
But we do have a small
Oh my
Nova
gosh, this
that came
good
in.
storage.
Okay.
It weighs around 14 or 1,500 pounds.
Yeah.
Also, these right here will come with the like a
Oh, okay. They
but
have
you get the
two
bunks,
beds.
you know.
Uh-huh.
Lots of seating in here too. Like if you're out here just hanging out for the day,
Oh.
you get 3 that can sit here and 2 here.
Take my shoes off and see what it's like.
Yeah, see that actual size of it. I would say the top one has more of a hangover than this right here would
Yeah.
too.
Can you sleep? Yeah,
I
right?
think Naresh would be fine. He'd be better up top, but
Yeah.
it's definitely not ideal for somebody in their 50s.
That's funny. So here's probably just a little jackknife. It's just easy bed.
Yeah.
But like I said, just for little kiddos.
Okay.
Oh my gosh, that is.
Sweetheart, you.
That fridge is better than my fridge at home.
Investment?
Oh my
There's a lot of people
gosh.
selling their houses and
Yeah.
doing some temporary stuff.
I can
in
see
these.
that. Yeah.
Wow.
So it's a
The
tiny
bath-
house.
Yeah.
Do something like this instead.
Full
This.
half bathroom down here, and then back in the bedroom there's a full bathroom.
Wow.
Oh, here's. Okay.
Yeah, a little
Yeah.
downstairs bathroom.
Definitely.
That's amazing, that one, baby. Shall we sell our house and buy this?
Oh, babe,
Hmm?
come take a look.
My gosh. Do you have any lights there? No lights.
Oh yeah, there's light switches.
Uh,
Typically there's no power, but this one's got solar already mounted to it.
Nice.
Yeah.
this is good for retirement.
Oh, for sure.
Don't know when
Oh,
though.
here you go.
You ready to go for retirement? No need to clean so much.
I know we're still cleaning. She's like less.
No, maybe the whole house cleaning is it's like a
that's exhausting. Yeah.
yes.
Yeah, this is
Especially-
people that just want to minimize life. They'll do that. Like
Yeah.
a lot of people are selling houses, getting this, or
Mm-hmm.
some people use this for camping, but very few.
Yeah.
Yeah, if you're doing camping, you're doing something small.
Yeah. I can see that. Is that a fan or?
What's that? Yeah, ceiling fan, and then you got
Saw that.
the front living rooms up here.
Nice. So nice. My parents, I think they got rid of one, something similar to this. I don't know if it was this nice, but it was. Yeah, this is great.
No, that one is not this much big, darling.
Huh?
That's one not this much big.
Theirs wasn't.
No,
No, it was.
this is too big.
It's close to it.
I know we will see more bigger one, but this is really good.
Yep. Oh, you come up. There we go.
It's a living area, right? You have
Yes.
can have a big TV here,
Your fireplace.
fireplace.
TV.
Sitting area. That's good.
Yeah.
This is good. I think I'm ready for this. Why you show me this one? මේ තියෙන අපි බලු ලක්සරිම RV එක. ඉතින් මේක 79000ක් එනවා. ඉතින් ඕගලන්ට 200න් වැඩි කරලා බලන්න පුළුවන් ලංකාවෙන් කීයක් වෙනවද කියලා. ඉතින් අනිත් ඒවා ප්‍රයිස් මම description box එකේ දාන්නම්. ඕගලන්ට දැනගන්න පුළුවන් ප්‍රයිස්. ඉතින් මාත් එක්ක එකතු වෙලා හිටියට ඕගලන්ට ස්තුතියි.